Hello there, we're Emily Delgado and Wendy Escobar. This is our PsychBuster project, where we present two claims or myths and decide if they are confirmed, plausible, or busted. Claim 1. Meditation increases your lifespan. There are many factors that influence how long someone lives. Some factors, like genes, are out of their control. Other factors, like lifestyle and their environments, are a bit easier to adjust and change. Researchers have known for decades that meditation can improve one's physical and mental health. Meditating can relieve stress, lower blood pressure, and lift one's mood. Meditation rewires our neural circuits, pruning away the least used connections, and straightens the ones we exercise the most. In a study published in Nature, researchers conducted a series of experiments with human and animal subjects that showed the direct connection with the brain excitation and longevity. Researchers led by Tanya Jacobs of the University of California, Davis compared 30 participants at a meditation retreat held at the Shambhala Mountain Center in Colorado, which matched controls on a waiting list for the retreat. Participants meditated 6 hours per day for 3 months. After the 3-month intervention, researchers found that the meditators had on average about 30% more activity of enzyme telomeres than the controls did. Telomeres is responsible for repairing telomeres, the structures located at the ends of chromosomes, that prevent chromosomes from unraveling. Each time a cell produces, its telomeres become shorter and less effective at protecting the chromosome. This, researchers believe, is a cause of aging. As the chromosome becomes more and more vulnerable, cell complement becomes sloppier and eventually stops when the telomeres disintegrate completely. Telomeres can mitigate and possibly stop cell aging. These studies and others strongly suggest that meditation has the potential to impact how long we live. So this claim is plausible. By actively practicing strategies such as meditation, we might actually preserve and protect our physical body and brain structure to extend our golden years and shine even more brightly in our old age.
The second claim we will be talking about is you cannot die from a lack of sleep. Sleep is a vital component of every person's overall health and well-being. Sleep is important because it enables the body to be fit and ready for another day. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. On our next slide, we can see a table that was provided by the CDC. They stated that how much sleep an individual needs changes as they age, and the breakdown is as follows. For example, for newborns 0 to 3 months, it is recommended to sleep 14 to 17 hours. For school-age individuals between the ages of 6 to 12 years old, 9 to 12 hours it's a good sleeping schedule. And for adults age 18 to 60 years old, 7+ hours is recommended. Sleep deprivation can have a negative impact on your health. Lack of sleep directly affects how we think and feel. It can lead to fatigue, mood changes, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, paranoia, and hallucinations. According to Nathaniel Marshall, who is a sleep researcher at the University of Sydney, he says that not getting enough sleep can indirectly kill you. According to the Sleep Foundation, chronic sleep deprivation can contribute to vascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and immunodeficiency. Sleep and mental health are closely intertwined, and poor sleep has strong association with conditions like depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. The Oxford University released a study in 2018 where they observed the relation of sleep-deprived people with car crashes. Their studies indicated that people who have slept for fewer than 7 of the past 24 hours have higher odds of being involved in and responsible for car crashes. The risk is greater for drivers who have slept fewer than 4 hours. Sleep loss can have plenty of consequences. Operating on little to no sleep can increase your risk of having an accident while driving or doing something potentially hazardous. Given these diverse and important impacts of sleep deprivation, it comes to no surprise that studies have found insufficient sleep to be tied with a greater overall risk of death. Our second claim is busted because a person can indirectly die from a lack of sleep.